Welcome students. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use the unordered list. As usual, we start by mentioning the doc type HTML tag followed by HTML language is equal to English, and then we start with the head tag. Within the head tag we'll include the meta chart set equal to UTF-8, and then we need to include the title. So for this, maybe we can give our own title. So I'm going to be specifying, say, restaurant menu or something connected with the restaurant. The reason that I'm mentioning the example from restaurant is that we're using the unordered list. So now we start with the H1 tag. We offer the following cuisines, and then probably I give 2 underlines just to make it attractive, at least for the sake of being consistent. And I want to center the heading, so I'm going to place this entire H1 within the center tags, and then I'm going to list the unordered list tag along with its listing. So L1, I'm going to include the first cuisine, that's going to be Chinese. The second one is going to be Indian, and the next cuisine, you can think of the cuisines that you like and you can include it, and I'm going to include Mexican. And then after including Mexican, just to have a better view of this unordered list, I want to include one more list, that's going to be Brazilian. So I will save this, and then I would go to the browser to see the output. So this is how the output looks. So you can clearly see all of the listing are present there. Apparently it's present as an unordered list. Thank you, students.